Hi everyone. So here I will show you how to install the Arduino's programming software into the computer. If we go to the Google and search Arduino here, and we will see this is the Arduino homepage. One is the Arduino IDE installation. So let's go to this one. So we can see here is how to download the Arduino software, and we just following this tutorial. Mm, okay. Go to the download page and so this PC is Windows. That's why I download the Windows version. Okay. We can start working with this. Okay, so here if you are install this on your home computer, you can just click the private network. And if not, for example, you are working at school, you can just leave it as the first one and allow to access. Install the device software. Install the USB driver. Okay. This looks like very straightforward. So now let's run the first example is blinking. Here we can see files and examples. We can basics and blink. Okay, here opens our examples. And we can see it's already have one pin built in, it's LED built in. In the Arduino Uno is pin 13. And we define this as output. And in the loop, we can write this pin value to high. So the digital write is always high and low. So it's either 1 or 0. So if we write is high and delay, here means 1,000 means 1,000 millisecond, means 1 second. And then we change it to low, it means basic LED is off and for 1 second. So from this loop, we can see LED will on 1 second and off 1 second. So right now, let's connect the Arduino board to the computer with the USB cable. So okay, here we connect our board, and then we can clearly see one COM4 is come out, and this one is definitely is the Arduino Uno. Let's go to select. Yes, Arduino Uno. Okay. Upload to here. Wow. It's done with upload. And then you can see there's one light is blinking. And that's it. It means our software is a success installed. And let's change some parameters. For example, we wanted high be 5 seconds and then low 1 seconds. Let's see if we can change it. Okay, it's done with upload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Off. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, it works. Great. Yeah, that's it. So next tutorial, we will show more fun things for the Arduino board. Thank you. Bye.